Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. Today I'm going to show you how to make a model sofa in Blender. Step 1, go to add by Shift A, add mesh by Q. Scale it on the x-axis, look like this, and scale from z-axis, for make the base of sofa. Then add a duplicate by Shift D and make it on top base. For make the seat, open manage and select the vertex, move, rotate and scale. After you finish to move, select the edge on top. And I think I try to review no. I think I should select the four corners for bevel. Look like this. After I bevel from on top for 2 level and select the edge from on top from this edge and scale from set axis for down. And scale from set axis for too small a little bit. Open menu again and move on the top. After you can duplicate by Shift D and move for the to make arm legs. Scale and rotate from y-axis to 90 degrees and move from this and move from down. Select this vertex on top from arm legs and move down. Go to modifier. Go to modifiers, add modify and select mirror modify. And mirror object you select for base top for seat. Select seat. After finish for make arm legs, duplicate by y-axis and rotate from x-axis 90 degrees. Look like this. Okay. When you finish to move, select vertex on and move from set axis for top. Finish to make a sofa easy. And I think I try to simplify. For make it smooth. But I think I can just smooth. When you smooth, you see the shadow. You can go to edit mode of a dash object and can look cut. Look like this. Or bevel for hide a shadow. Look at and move for hide a shadow. And base and under base you can bevel a bun top base, bun top face and select the edge. From on top edge I select and move from set exit for up. Finally you can change the mode and look cut 43. Yeah, finally you finish the sofa. After you finish all this, you can make a material for easy. I think I will make a orange sofa. Look like this. Oh, I think I can link material. Select and finally select this seat and Control L for link material. Bottom top base, I think I should for pink. Yeah, example. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time, and when you like my video, you can click like or subscribe my channel.